from Japan. And then look at the outfit that I've got for Romeo. So it's a kimono. I know. See, little darling. Such a handsome boy. Are you a handsome boy? Are you a handsome boy? So Romeo is a boy, but I still got her a girl outfit because it is just too cute. Too cute. Got something from Hermes today. I didn't get this from Japan. I got it from here. I went to the Hermes store in Ginza. Your number to line up, so you don't need any appointment for the Ginza store. And they will give you an iPad. So I went to level 4 for the leather department. They give me an iPad and then you will see what leather goods they have on that day. So, but I went there 4 times. The only nice thing that I can see is a constant to go, is a little green wallet. So I didn't take that. So I've got nothing. I'm guessing the chance you can get a leather bag from Ginza is quite low. So I prefer to come back to Australia. And then today got a few things from Justin. Something from Hermes. I am gonna do some unboxing. Box. The big one first. Ta-da! Can I put it here? Is a Herbag Zip 31. Here is the key and the lock. Is a pouch inside, okay. And there's another pocket outside. My SA told me that this her bag, I can flip it and turn it inside out. So this is the waterproof canvas, and the top is the leather. I'm gonna close it first. And I want to show you how it looks on me. I don't want to cut the paper yet. This is how it looks on me. So 31 is a good size. It's very good for travel because this is waterproof. I want to see whether I can do it as a crossbody. Crossbody. This is how it looks as a crossbody bag. Undo here to take the strap away and use it like a handheld bag. You might be able to guess what I've got next. It's a little twilly to match the bag. Because I love pink, so what I'm planning to do is to tie this twilly on the back. I will tie it nicer. Oh, and I might have another video to show how to tie twilly. So this is what it will look like this. Other things I got is a little gift for my friends. got my friend mineral powder. So I'm not gonna open this one, so because it's a gift. So I will leave it here. The full name of this bag is called Zip 31 Toilette Berlin Vache Hunter. I might need to learn some French. It's cute with the little horse. I might get another Twilly. Fish for Romeo. Oh, by the way, if you're looking for something very special this Christmas for your little cat or dog or any pets you have, you can make a special ornament like this. Hand paint your pet's face and turn it into a special Christmas ornament. Head to www.romeomama.com.au and then send us your pet's photo and we'll handle everything. See you next time.